how we went from this to this. So let's go! So I've mixed this Fanola No Yellow shampoo with some hair mask, and this is what I got. Now let's put it on my hair. So the hair mask is on. We're gonna wait for 10 minutes, and after that I will wash it off, and we are coming to see the results. So I came back from the shower, and as you can see, it already looks much more better than it was. So now I'm gonna dry it, and I'm coming back again. So I came back, and this is how my hair is looking like right now. I feel like it's much more better, right? I mean, no yellow tones, no more. It's much more better. I know that my hair is looking like super strange right now because I actually have curly hair and my hair is really dry, and when I dry it and I try to make it look straight, it will always look like this, but my hair is not fried off. And thankfully my hair didn't fall off after I bleached it at home by myself for the first time, and I still can't believe that. But this is how my hair is looking like, and if you like to see the next time when I will bleach my hair, just let me know in the comments, because I will make a video about that when my roots will grow and I will need to bleach it again. So bye bye, and I love you.